Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Sensitive Razor. It's a disposable sensitive razor. Really cool. We have an extra smooth razor for sensitive skin that features a long-lasting shave and a SkinElixir that releases the perfect dose of protection which we can feel with every use. And smooth skin, that's cool, because we have here SkinElixir lubrastrip for more protection, for glide and a better feeling while you're making fight against your hairs on your body. Ribbon of the moisture surround the blades for the glide, ergonomic handle and anti-slip soft grip for everything and comfort grip. It's really cool, as you can see, because it comes with 3 blades, with 3 laser blades, and you can use it under the shower with water, no prop for it. You can use it with gel, you can use it with foam, you can use it without. Maybe that's not so good for your skin, but it's possible, of course, because the razor blades are really sharp. You can replace the blades itself, as you can see. Of course, do not replace it after every shave, of course. I think so, once a month, that's enough. But you have to choose how often you will replace it, because it's disposable, but not so disposable that you have to replace it every time after shaving. I think so, okay? A razor is a blade tool primarily used in the removal of body hair through the act of shaving. There are different kinds of razor, including straight razors, safety razors, disposable razors, and electric razors on the market. And this here is a disposable razor. While the razor has been in extant since before the Bronze Age, okay, really old, not this razor here, but the kind of razor, the oldest razor-like object has been dated to 18,000 BC. The most common types of razor currently used are the safety razors and the electric razors too. But for your skin, your body skin, I think the best thing to use a razor shave is such here, a modern razor that uses replaceable blades as a cartridge system. Because if it's not enough for removing your hair, then you can easily replace the blades itself. That's fast, that's reliable, and it makes the easy peasy job. That means you go in the shower, take a shower, and use your extra smooth sensitive razor by Gillette Venus and make good job with it. After that, you can hang it up, let it dry, and use it another time again, until you feel it's not so sharp enough, and then you can replace it easily. That's the Gillette Venus disposable razor, extra smooth sensitive disposable razor set. It's on the market with only 2 blades, with 4 blades, with 5. You can buy the blades alone, no prop for it, for a long time use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.